I hope you all are doing well. So, as discussed in the first class, I gave you a brief introduction about the HTML. Okay. So, today I shall repeat the part again for those students who were absent in the first class. Okay. So, what is HTML? HTML is basically a markup language. Okay. Markup language. The full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. Basically, HTML is used to make the web pages. So, a collection of web pages form a website. Okay. So, as we all are familiar with the internet. Okay. So, suppose we want to purchase something, we go to the Flipkart site, then we order, then the item is purchased. Okay. Suppose we want to send message someone, we go to the facebook.com and we send the messages. Okay. So basically websites are the lightweighted. Okay, we don't need to download application or anything. We just need to go to the site and uh, we can do it. Okay, so basically websites are lightweighted. Okay, so for this lightweight we need the websites. Okay, so basically HTML is a hypertext markup language. Okay, so as you see, hypertext markup language. So what is basically hypertext? Okay, hypertext basically those texts on the websites clicking on which a new windows open. Okay, or new windows or a web page open, new web page open in a new window. Okay, suppose I am in the official site of Wikipedia. Okay, so if I click in this text, a new web page open. If I click in this text, a new web page open. Okay, so basically these are the hypertext. Okay, so markup basically means the styling. Okay, suppose you go to the site of Flipkart. Okay, so you can see there are different types, different font style, different images, different things are there. Na? So basically this formatting is the markup. Okay, so as I told you now, HTML is used to make the web pages. Okay, so a collection of web pages from a website. Okay, so basically there are many web pages are there in this site. Okay, so this all these web pages together form the website. Okay, so for the website it must be user friendly or must be attractive na. So that's why we need formatting. Okay, so this is the meaning of markup. Okay, hypertext, as I told, hypertext, and this is the meaning of markup. Okay, so what is language? As we all are familiar with the English language. Now English language has its own rules and regulations. uh, um so basically the what is language? The language is the, as we all are familiar with the English. Okay, so English has its own grammar rules, own syntax. Okay, so similarly the HTML is a language, markup language, so it has its own syntax. Okay, it has its own syntax, own rules. Okay, so as I told you, HTML is a hypertext markup language. What are the meanings of hypertext? Is the meaning of markup? Okay, and what is the meaning of language? Okay, so you all know now what is what is HTML. Okay, so HTML basically used to create web pages. Okay, so a collection of web pages from a website. Okay, so if you go to the page number at that page. Okay, so in your book you will find that page. Okay, so this is the basic structure of the HTML. Okay, this is the head tag. This is the HTML tag. This is the head tag. Okay, if you want to make any HTML file, okay, so we need to start need to make it in the HTML tag. Okay, so this is the angular bracket. Within the angular bracket we need to write the HTML. Okay, so HTML is a container tag. Okay, container means the tag which opens, we must have to close this. Okay, so the HTML starts here and the HTML also closes there. Okay, so everything will be written within the HTML. Okay, so this is the head portion of the web pages. Okay, the in the head portion, the heading will be appeared in that portion. Okay, so when I will see the practical video, so you will understood this. Okay, So this is the body of the HTML. So within the body, everything is written. Within the body, every text is written. Within the body, images are inserted. Okay, so this is the pages of the official page of the Flipkart. Na. Everything. Suppose this image, this text, everything is written within this body tag. Okay, so they wrote everything within the body tag. So in our case, we also write everything within the body tag. Okay, so this is the uh, structure of a HTML page. Okay, so all this here all these tags are container tag, meaning if you start the tag, open the tag, we have to close the tags. Okay, these are called container tag. Okay, there are some tags that are not container tag, that are empty tags. Okay, suppose there is a beard tag. Okay, if you go to the beard tag, you will find that some tags are empty tags. Okay, these tags are beard tags. Basically the beard tag is used to break the line. Okay, so when I will demonstrate a practical video, so you will understand what is the beard tag. Okay, so again, the HTML is not the case sensitive. Okay, so you can write HTML in small letter, capital letter, or any letter. Okay, yeah, or any formatting. Okay, so it will not make any effect. Okay, we just need to write in small letter or capital letter. Okay, so this is the brief introduction to the HTML. Okay, so to run a HTML page or website, now as I told you, the HTML is basically used to design the websites. Okay, so basically we run the websites in the web browser. Okay, so a web browser is needed to run the HTML file. Okay, and we write the code in a text editor. Okay, so the text editor normally it can be a notepad. Okay, or any other editor. Okay, so it will not make any problem. Okay, in your Windows by default notepad is there. Okay, so as I told, what is HTML? Is- so basically HTML is the tag within which everything is written. Okay, so this is the head tag. In this head tag, the heading of the web pages are written. Okay, the body tag, everything starting from the text, images, graphics, everything is written within the body tag. Okay, so basically I will give a practical video for the how to save, how to write, how to write the code, how to save the code, and how to run the code. Okay, so I will go to the notepad. Okay, and you will see how to run the HTML, how to write the code. Okay, so for this I'm going to the notepad software by default install in the uh, operating system. Okay, so for the notepad, so for the better understanding, I have large the font. Okay, so this is, we need to start from HTML. Okay, so this is not case sensitive. Okay, so we can write smaller or capital letter, it will not make any effect. Okay, so this is the HTML. Okay, so within the HTML there must be a head tag. Okay, there must be head tag within. So if I open any tag, we have to close that tag. Okay, so I have closed open the HTML tag, also I have closed the HTML tag. Similarly, I open the head tag, I have closed the head tag. Okay, then I have opening the I will open the body tag and I will close that body tag. Okay, body tag. Okay, so in this head portion, as I told you, na heading will be there. Na, so for the heading, we can make use of the title tag. Okay, so the title, if I write the title tag, then it will appear at the top of the web page. Okay, so if I start the title tag as it is a container tag, then I have to close the tag. Okay, so that's why I have closed the tag. Okay, so within the title tag, I can write my first website. Okay, my my first website. okay, my first website now. So now if I want to save that file, okay, so then I just need to go and save. Okay, so I am saving in the desktop. Okay, saving in the desktop, so I am giving it name of a hello. Then you have to keep in mind that you have to give the extension of HTML. Okay, to give the extension of HTML. Okay, so as I have saved this file in the desktop. Okay, so now I'm going to the desktop and I'm clicking the sorry, I have not saved in the desktop. Okay, so I have to save it in the desktop, so I have to save it in the desktop. Sorry, I have already saved it in the desktop. Okay, so that's why I'm going to the desktop and running the hello.html file. Why is the so as I save the file in the desktop. Okay, so I have give the name as hello.html. Okay, so I have double click the hello.html na. So you can see now at the top of the site na, the title as I write within the title na, my first website, that's why it appeared at that head of the website. Okay, so this is basically we will see in the Flipkart na, similarly that na, this is online shopping site na, this is the heading portion na. So similarly for our site the heading portion is my website. Okay, so basically it is written within the head portion. Okay, so now I'm going to the that file. Okay, so the heading portion is over. Okay, so I have written within the head tag. Okay, so if I go to uh, body tag. Okay, so for everything that appears to the user, okay, it is written within the body tag. Okay, so I have written a paragraph tag. Okay, so the paragraph within the paragraph tag I may write uh, hello world. Okay, so if this will appear in my website. Okay, so now I am saving this website, saving this file. Okay, and going to the browser, then if I refresh the page, then you can see that the hello world appears. Okay, so basically this is a paragraph. Okay, so similarly, suppose as I told about the boy beard tag. Okay, beard tag, so if I write the beard tag. Okay, so it will make a uh, break line. Okay, so I have to close the beard. I don't need to close the beard tag. Okay, basically it is a contain a non-container tag. This is empty tag. Okay, so now if I write something like heading. Okay, h1 tag, basically this is a heading tag. Okay, so within this heading tag I have written my name is Jahangir LM. Okay, so now I'm saving this file. Okay, so as I save this file and I go to the site. Okay, and as I refresh now, so you can see this is my name is Jahangir, and it appears in the large font as well as it is the dark. Okay, it is bold format. Okay, so basically I have used the heading h1 tag. Okay, so as you see there is a gap now. Basically this gap is due to the beard tag. Okay, so we write the beard tag that makes a empty line between the hello world and my name is Jahangir Alam. Okay, so this is the introductory class. uh, so I hope you understand the basic structure of a HTML document. Okay, so I'm going to the document of your book. Okay, so this is how we write the HTML file. Okay, then how you save the file, how you open the file. Okay, so you have to kept in mind. Okay, keep in mind that how to save the file, how to run the HTML file. Okay, so I will give you all the solution of from question number A to the question number twice D. Okay, so there will be some homework. Okay, it's from the see you have to you have to do it, and you have to send it. Okay, so that's it for the introductory class. I hope you understood what is HTML and how to say, make the websites. Okay, so if you have any confusion, you can send me a message on the WhatsApp. For my WhatsApp number, you have to message me in 9957337945. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number. You need to WhatsApp in this number if you have any confusion. Okay, you don't call me. You only need to WhatsApp at that number. Okay, so that's it. I hope you understand. So have a good day. Okay, thank you.